Good morning again. I just saw something on Twitter this morning sent to me by my friend Barrister Leroy, and it's about the Ministry of Finance coming up with this brilliant idea on providing modest stipends to various Nigerians that can actually undertake works about things to do with water and roads. And well, first of all, what I want to talk about mainly is the roads that we're traveling on now. And I'd like to commend the minister, Ms. Zainab Ahmed. Thank you very much for this. But I just want to throw in something here, and anybody who knows the minister should please pass this message over to her. We can fix the problems on Nigerian roads within 5 years. Simple. All the roads can be free of potholes. They can be maintained and cleaned and look as good as the roads in other nations that we admire, like the roads in Germany and the roads in the UK, where they got fantastic roads, and some of the good roads in America, actually. Here is the thing. How about contracting all these roads, just like you have suggested now? Just contract these roads to different companies that can maintain the roads. Ensure that everybody pays road tax like they do in the UK especially. And then when people pay road taxes, based on the size of the engine of their cars, when a car runs into a pothole, then you can sue the government to have the car repaired. When you have, say, a company actually contracted for 10 years to maintain, like Lagos Ibadan Expressway, another company to maintain Kaduna Abuja Road, and then you have all these inner city roads, contract like 2-3 roads to a company to maintain, see that the sidewalks are all taken care of, there's no pothole, then we will have all our roads free of potholes. And the government does not have to cough out money to maintain these roads. This idea is we get all the roads to pay for their own maintenance. Each road will pay for its own maintenance. Let's introduce road tax. Say this is my friend's car here. Like, say if this SUV is paying like 100,000 naira a year for road tax, and then you have smaller cars that can pay like 20,000 naira a year for road tax, that will be enough money, okay, to be able to pay these contractors to keep those roads pothole free. And then we will not be having all these accidents. No life is guaranteed on any Nigerian road, both rich and poor. You cannot kiss your wife or your kids goodbye and tell them that you're going to be back in the evening, because the roads are so bad. And then the thing is that we don't even have proper driving schools where they can actually teach people how to drive sensibly. Nigerian road users don't know nothing about hazard perception. They cannot perceive hazard. They don't know how to plan ahead. They don't know how to use their bleepers sensibly. And then the roads, and then the vehicles in the roads are not even roadworthy. If we can introduce this road tax where people can pay according to the size and engines of their cars, then that will be a huge relief on the government. And then there will be enough money to maintain all the roads. And I can guarantee you that if you take this advice, all Nigerian roads will be free of potholes and they will be clean. All the drainage systems will be properly maintained and there will be no floods around the roads. Come on. All I'm saying is emulate what they do in the UK, in the US, and in Germany. Please, if you know the Minister of Finance, Ms. Zainab Ahmed, please pass this message over to her. Okay? And I tell you what, it is very, very easy. We can fix all the roads in the country in less than 5 years, following these ideas that I just talked about here. Subcontract the maintenance of all the roads to private companies. and have the roads pay for the maintenance via road taxes. Thank you.